Hello again to our multiplayer course. In this video we will continue our making the tank, and we reach to the health system. So now let's add the destruction of the tank and also how do we respawn the player again. Now let's first make an actor, which is the destroyed tank. Here, actor, let's call it BP underscore destroyed tank. Here, let's add a static mesh. And let's call it tank mesh, and drag this mesh to make the default scene, or the default root scene. For the static mesh, let's find the T72 damaged tank. Also, let's add a Niagara effect, Niagara particle system component. And this one, let's also find the T72 damaged. Let's see why it is not working. How it is working. Okay, for the tank mesh, let's make it simulate physics. Simulate physics. We do not need this similar generation hit events, because it will not. This mesh or this actor will only be for visual effects. We will not be able to destroy it or do anything, but it will simulate physics, so we can interact with it and like ram it or push it over a ledge or something like that. Here, put the mass. I will make it maybe 30,000, 30 tons. Now let's open the first, before we open the tank mesh, let's make sure the collision is right. Now it is right. Now let's open the tank mesh. We need to set a collision for the tank. Sometimes they do not put a collision, and sometimes the collision is bad. How do I show you the collision? Sometimes they make it like a box. I will remove it, move the collision, and just click apply here. Now we'll have this collision, which is better and more accurate. And also, like I said, the collision is important for the tank to simulate physics. If the static mesh doesn't have a collision, it will not simulate physics. Now let's go back to the tank here and add another variable. Let's call it destroyed tank. And let's change this one to BP, the variable type to BP destroyed tank. Change it to class reference. And here let's choose the destroyed tank. Also, let's make the replication sorry, not replication, it should not be replicated, because it is not that important. It will not break the game if some cheater changed the mesh of the destroyed tank. And make the category tank properties. Now let's go to the damage here. Here let's add a variable, a branch. Let's check if the health is less or than or equal to 0. Here we do not need this check because the health, it is clamped, it's already clamped to 0 and the max health, so this branch, it's not needed. Let me delete it. So here let's check if the health is is 0. So if it is 0, let's spawn actor from class, but we need to make it run on server, so we should make a custom event. So like I said, it's an important rule to make an actor visible on all clients. You should run it on the server. I mean, you should spawn it on the server. Here, custom event, server spawn destroyed tank. Spawn actor from class, always spawn, and the class put here to add a new variable. Let's call destroyed tank. Sorry, destroyed. Destroyed tank. And for this spawn transform also, we put it here. So for the owner is the tank itself, so self. It is not that important because you will not interact with the actor, with the destroyed tank, but it's better to put them. And here get instigator. Let's comment here. Spawn destroyed tank. Let's make sure it is run on server. I'll use reliable. Also, while we are here, let's make the server destroy event. Server destroy. Also make it run on server and reliable. Destroy actor. Here, server destroy. Let's move it here. Now let's go back to the event graph. Here in the any damage, let's call spawn destroyed tank. For destroyed tank, let's put this variable. For the spawn transform, get actor transform, and here server destroy. We call the server destroy. Now let's comment on this receive damage and update health. Now let's test. Now I'm the server. I will shoot one of these actors, one of these clients. The first shot. Now it should die in the second one. Now it is destroyed. Let me move. Now I can ram it. You see that the destroyed client still sees me because the player controller is still connected to the server, still not destroyed. Let me see if we can see the we forgot an important thing, which is the destroyed tank should be replicated. Here, replicates and replicate movement. I always forget this. Now let's test again. Now I will shoot this tank. Let's wait for the reload and shoot again. Now it is destroyed. The other client can see the destroyed tank. Let me ram it and move it. Now it can be moved. Now I will use the other tank to shoot the host tank. Well, I am not a good shot. We shoot it again. Now it's hit. We should shoot it another one time. Well, I think I didn't hit it. Now it is destroyed. Now, after we destroyed the tank, now we should call the player restart from the game mode. So how do we do this? Well, we can do it either in the game mode or in the player controller. I will use the player controller. And we will do this respawn player on the next video because this video is becoming long. So see you on the next video.